also known as the law of diminishing marginal productivity. A. Law of diminishing returns. B. Law of diminishing utility. Letter C. Law of diminishing supply. Letter D. Law of diminishing demand.
What is your answer? Ang tamang sagot actually, dahil letter A ang sagot nyo, ang tamang sagot ay letter A, law of diminishing returns. Kung naalala nyo pa sa microeconomics, di ba? Yung law of diminishing marginal productivity ay also known as law of diminishing returns. Bakit siya tinawag na law of diminishing returns? Kasi sabi sa law na ito, habang nagdadagdag ka ng additional units ng isang variable input, halimbawa labor, okay? Dinadagdag mo yan sa isang fixed input, like halimbawa land. Yung marginal product, ano ba yung marginal product? Yan yung additional output, okay? Yung marginal product galing sa each new unit of input will eventually decrease. So yan yung tinasabi sa law of diminishing returns or law of diminishing marginal productivity. So yung example na ginamit ko dati nito, for example, personally, di ba, pag galing ka naglaro ng basketball and then umuwi ka sa bahay, uminom. So, yung first na inom mo ng tubig, siyempre, andun yung satisfaction mo, di ba? So, na productive yung tubig. And then, until ma-reach na yung top, until such time na okay na, nasatisfy na yung fears mo, and then, bababa na yung fears level mo. Okay? So, the more you add units, variable units specifically, to a fixed input, like yourself. So, yung marginal product niya or additional output na ma-produce is is decreasing over time. So that is law of diminishing returns. So tama naman yung sagot nila. But bakit mali ang law of diminishing utility at saka yung law of diminishing supply, tsaka law of diminishing demand? Yung other laws na ito ay may kinalaman sa consumer satisfaction, producer behavior, and consumer behavior. Okay, so this does not physical or hindi sila applied to physical productivity in the short run. So kaya mali yung diminishing utility, diminishing supply, diminishing demand. Kasi pag sinabing productivity, there's an output, 'di ba? Pag there's an output, there's a return. Okay, so dapat the correct answer should be letter A, law of diminishing returns.